I want to plant a tree. Do you want to plant a tree? Now, let's do some conversation in Igbo language. Hope you're ready, because I'm ready. My name is Teacher Mary. I am here to help you, in your journey to learning Igbo language. All right, so I want to plant a tree. Achọrọ m ịkụ osisi. I want to farm, or I want to go into farming. Achọrọ m ịkọ ugbo. Achọrọ m ibido ịkọ ugbo. Achọrọ m ịkọ ugbo. I am going to the farm. Ana m aga ugbo. I am going to the farm. Ana m aga ugbo. Oh, I forgot what I wanted. Echezọrọ m ife nchọrọ. Echezọrọ m ife nchọrọ. I don't know if you have heard any Igbo name. Echezona. Echezona. Don't forget. Okay. Endeavor to make it early. Gbania bịa n'oge. Gbania bịa n'oge. Oh. I am cold. Oyi na-atụ m. Oyi ọ na-atụ gị? Oyi ahụ atụ m. What is the time? Kedu ife na-akụ n'elekere? Kedu ife na-akụ nụ? All right. Thank you very much. It's easy, right? Keep practicing. You'll get better. Just if there is anything you want me to talk about or tell you the meaning in Igbo, just write it in the comment section. See you in the next class. Bye.